What's up, buddies? Vman1313 and welcome to this special video where I introduce to you All Roads Taken. And if you didn't know, All Roads Taken is a website and a company that offers badges, kind of like the Jeep trail badges, but this one is for anybody and everything. Whatever you drive, doesn't matter, as long as you complete the routes, as long as you're doing the routes, the trails, whatever it is that you're wanting to do, you're able to purchase them. Keep a nice log of them. I was lucky enough to be introduced to them by a friend of mine and have been working with them trying to get my stuff up on their website. We still haven't finished everything yet. We've got a few finishing touches to put on it, but hopefully by the time you see this video, it'll be all up and running. And today I want to open up the box and see the first trail badges. I've seen them before for other trails, but obviously not the ones with my name and my logo and my stuff on them. So that's what I'm gonna do today at this beautiful place here, and let's see what they look like. Special knife from some special friends. Nice note from the owners, and a little bit of information. I'll put all the information on the description and to send you over there to the to their website. And here's what we got. 4 little boxes. Let's see what each box has. Oh, there's 2 in each one. I'm gonna look for the one. This is nice. These things look so good. Hey, I got a sticker from them. Cool. I'll show you that in just a second. This is obviously the last one's the one that I'm looking for. Georgia Adventure Trail. Adventure is worth the drive. As we open up the first one, it just feels so nice. Like I said, I've seen them, I've touched them, so I kind of knew what they look like. But again, when they have your own stuff on them, it's a whole different ball game, isn't it? So here we have the Georgia Adventure Trail. And it's got my logo. Nice. It's got the date that each route was established. So that's cool, very cool, very cool. Yeah, just looking at these, just my eyes are just like, wow, just they're beautiful, they're beautiful. And so, All Roads Taken. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description if you want to go check out what they have. Not just my stuff. They have the Florida Adventure Trail that my buddy created. They have Windrock, they have the Rubicon, so they have other things from other places, obviously from all around the United States. And so ironically, I am on a trip this week, 5-day trip, and on Monday I started on the Coast to Crest Trail, which I established in 2019. Man, the logo is what gets me. The logo at the bottom gets me. It's nice. Love it, love it, love it. Then I traveled south on a portion of it. Obviously, I can't do the whole trail in 1 or 2 days. I'm trying to hit every single trail that I have in Georgia. And so after I finished well, I didn't finish. I got off the Coast to Crest and jumped on the East Georgia Adventure Loop, which I established in 2021. There's one not here yet because I have not told them that I built it yet, that I had created it yet, which is the Augusta Adventure Loop. I jumped on it after the East Georgia, and then I jumped back on the East Georgia Adventure Loop, and that's where I finished on Monday. Yesterday, Tuesday, I started on the Middle Georgia Adventure Loop. There you go. Established in 2021. And then I went south and hit the Deep South Adventure Trail. 2022. And I rode it all the way till I got to the South Georgia Adventure Loop. 2022. Nice. Today, I've really only been on 2 trails. Today I drove up. I've got to create, that's what I'm going to create next, around Americus. Something either up and down or around that we can connect all the way around the whole mid to, we're coming, it's coming. But I started today on the West Georgia Adventure Loop and had a little too much fun because it's later than I want it to be, and I'm still on it. But as soon as I finish here, I am jumping on the Georgia Belt Adventure Trail 2020. And then after that, I'm not sure if it's going to get it today or not. I think I will end up today on the original, the OG, the very first trail that I created, which was the Georgia Adventure Trail 2018. I can't believe it's been that long since I've had that out. So we're going to get on that. And then tomorrow, we'll keep going on the Georgia Adventure Trail and hit up the Piedmont Adventure Loop. Yeah. And that's all my Georgia trails. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I got the one more, Augusta Adventure Trail 10. Then we also have our Alabama ones. I got the Bama Adventure Trail. I got the Bama Belt Adventure Trail. So the Bama Adventure Trail goes north and south. The Belt goes east and west. Then I have a loop just inside the border, kind of like this Augusta Adventure Loop. It's called the East Alabama Adventure Loop. That one's pretty fun. It's nice and short, enjoyable. And then the one in Florida that I have is the Panhandle Adventure Trail that I did. It started in 2021, created in 2021. And yeah, I actually have the, like I said, I have the Augusta Adventure Loop, and I have the Iron Bridges Adventure Loop that do not have badges yet. Hopefully, we'll see. I haven't talked to them about how I'm gonna add new badges and that kind of thing. So yeah, that's what we got. These look amazing. They're just, I mean, they just feel so good. 3M tape, nice raised. I know it's hard to see on a camera, I'm sure, but yeah, so excited about this. Go check them out. You know, even if you're not looking to buy my trails, my routes, or anybody else's, go check out what they have and see the vast amount of routes and trails they have. They have Windrock, and they have other ones, like I said, out west and stuff. And so, you know, pretty cool keepsake. Put it on your vehicle or keep them to show where you've been, that kind of thing. Pretty neat. Thank you again. All roads taken. Check them out. It's Vman1313 out.